He wasn't looking what he was doing.
You just got glue on you. What a Nimrod. Bleh. Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime. Today we're asking the question, what works best as a pigment? We're going to try out some powdered pigment, some paint, and some food coloring. Which, let me tell you one thing about food coloring. Food coloring, you think glitter gets everywhere? Food coloring gets everywhere. So what we have here to save some time is we have 3 containers of clear slime. And we're gonna add pigment to these and see which one works best. Look how clear that is. That's like glass, baby. So Riley is gonna try the pink pigment. And all right, open it up and put it in there.
I'm scared.
All right, look how bright that is.
Hot pink.
Okay, you gonna just fold it? You want to fold it in, or you want to use a spoon? You're just gonna go for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, look how pretty. Ew, it's so gross.
Ooh, this is bright. That's so pretty.
Ew, look, it's like dusty in the back.
That is neon. That is super bright pink. Fold it in. We used a pretty thick, clear slime because we like our clear slime thick. What can I say? You can have it as runny as you want.
Just don't let it run away. That's not very good.
That's disgusting when your slime runs away. So shiny, so shiny.
It actually looks like nail polish slime. Like
It
it was
does.
made.
That actually looks like. Oh.
My nail. Does it match my nail?
That is pretty close. Definitely works really well because it doesn't thin down the slime at all. However thick your slime is, that's how thick your slime is going to be when you add your powder to it.
You know, you can make it bubble like this, right?
Oh, it tore.
It was lips.
Let's try the food coloring. So I've got some yellow food coloring here that we're going to put in our next bottle. And I got to get the seal off of it. Has your seal of approval.
I sealed the deal.
Sealed the deal. Alright, so let's put a couple drops of clear neon yellow food coloring.
I don't think clear was going to show
And
up.
see what happens.
It's an egg.
Look how thick.
I think that's
let's
good.
see what happens. I'll use my handy dandy spoon. Look at that spoon. Look, I got 3 spoons here. One of these things is not like the other. This one's had a rough life. It's so sad. It's so sad for this spoon. Ooh, that's some thick slime right there.
Yes, it's like yogurt right now. Yum, yum.
Ooh, I'm about to fold that in, but I don't want to get my hands yellow. So this will definitely. Ooh, that's some thick slime. That is. Who made this slime?
honey.
Who made this clear slime? Who made this clear slime?
The camera lady. I did.
Mommy made this slime. She
I like it thick.
She likes thick, clear slime. Other than getting my
Ew.
fingers yellow and orange,
It's
the food coloring does work really well. So there's our yellow food coloring slime. Man, look how pretty that is. That looks like stained glass.
Maybe you can make a bubble with it. Oh, you're ripping it! You're ripping it!
You're making a mess of it. You're making a mess of it.
It's got
Stretch it out.
veins.
Stretch it. Stretch it.
It's got veins.
Oh.
Here, wait, let me try.
Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. You blew it. You blew it. You blew it.
I'm the slime master. He's the learner.
No. I taught you how to slime, child.
I taught.
That's what he said. I taught. You said I taught.
I taught her how to slime.
It sounded like you said, I saw a putty cat.
I taught a putty tat. I did the putty tat. Anywho, food coloring works really well. Man, that's so cool looking. I love clear slime. Do you love clear slime? Clear slime is so nice.
That's
All
not
right.
clear. That's just yellow clear.
Well, it's clear yellow. Okay, next we are going to add paint to our clear. Get out of here. We're gonna add paint to our clear slime. Let's see what it does. My hands are yellow. This is color shift paint. Just add just a little bit to it. That's good. That's good. Good.
Okay, my trusty spoon. No,
spoon?
wait. Let me try this. It's a taco.
Look how cool looking that is.
Clear
They're
taco.
wrapped in the clear like that. Clear with other colors is so neat.
Oh,
Look at all that. Look at all
Good
that.
job,
I know
Daddy.
that's
Good.
you. You put all that paint in there. You went crazy with the paint.
But you went crazy too to just go.
Let's see if we can
I'm gonna
blend
play
this
with it
in.
even though my hands are gonna be blue and shiny. I'm so shiny.
This is what I deal with. This is my life. I would say that when it comes to clear slime, yeah, look at that. Look at that shimmer in that. Can you see that shimmer?
Shimmery.
Shimmer. Like a fish, like a mermaid tail.
Let me out of here.
I would say that if you're making clear slime and you want to tint it, you can use food coloring or powdered tint or paint. I think they all work pretty much equally as well. I still like I'd probably go with, which one do you think works best for clearing?
Powdered tint.
Powdered. Powdered probably works best. Next, I'd say food coloring, and then I'd go with the paint. But that color shift paint, that's wild. Now that we know that the different pigments will work equally well in clear slime, now we're gonna try some fluffy slime and see how they react, because I have a sneaky suspicion. Let's do it. Ooh, that's probably good right there.
These look very good.
Yeah, no, I think our filling team is about had it. More fluff!
Come on, more fluff. He
Oh
wasn't
my
looking what he
God.
was doing.
I didn't get you, but I almost got you.
So fair.
Okay. Hey. Okay, let's stir it up. Let's stir it up with my tiny little spoon.
Or is it your hand that's covering your big spoon?
All right, you want to add? So we're just making basic fluffy slime. We put in the white glue. We put in the shaving cream. And now we're putting in the
What?
contact lens solution. Okay, quit. That's enough, quit.
Scream.
Looks good enough to eat.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Do not eat it. It looks good enough to eat. But
Look at what the mess I made.
get lower.
Lower.
I think we got enough. Oh, I'm getting tired. It's wearing me out. Let's split it up. There, that goes to that bowl. That goes to that bowl. That goes to that bowl. Let's try the pink pigment powder.
Again.
Oh, just go crazy with it. Just go crazy.
Look at how pretty.
Okay, fold it in.
Ooh, it stinks. Want some perfume?
No, get out of here. So one thing you got to keep in mind is when you're making clear slime and you're adding color to it, all you have is the color, but when you're making fluffy slime or a white slime and you add color,
He stole it.
you got to deal with the white absorbing a lot of the color. The powder still works really well.
It's
Next, we're going to try
Food color.
food coloring. How does that affect? What does that look like? That looks like ice cream.
I want to do the paint again.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of. I'm gonna put a lot of food coloring in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So the food coloring added to it. That was really cut. This is getting weird. Look at that color. It's so good. Get out of here. Get out of here, monkey. Go away, monkey. So food coloring to add food coloring?
Food color.
You add food coloring to fluffy slime. It works really well. So as you can see, food coloring works really well. We have I don't understand. I don't understand.
Sweet little baby.
My gosh. Do you need a timeout? We're gonna add in ooh, not too much.
Ooh, not too much.
Let's see what happens when we add paint to our fluffy slime.
Pop it.
This color shift stuff really looked pretty earlier in the clear. So I'm curious to see what happens to the fluffy. Ooh, look at that. That is weird looking.
Ew.
That is wild looking.
Wow.
But also as I blend it,
It's messy.
yeah, it's getting messy. The slime is getting really sticky. Our paint worked, but I would say not nearly as well as the food coloring or the pigmented powder. I'd say for this, actually, the food coloring worked best for fluffy slime. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and share with a friend and leave a comment down below letting us know what you want in a future video. And if you need to tell Riley to calm down, go ahead, let her know. If you need to tell her in the comments, Riley, calm down, let her know. Or if you want her to be crazy, say, Riley, go ahead, be crazy. I don't think you have to tell her that. You can also follow us on Instagram at WillItSlime. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time on Will It Slime.
Oh, Will It Slime. You sound girly.